Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at HLOOKUP function. It is a function in Excel that performs an horizontal lookup whereby information are retrieved based on the specified row. Now we have the HLOOKUP syntax. Lookup value, the specific piece of data that tells Excel the exact column to find in the first row. We have table array. This is your lookup table, the table you are looking from. We have row index number, the row you are specifying to return your results. And then we have approximate or exact match. Now on my table I have student name, subject, score, and student grade. Now I also have my lookup table that contains score, grade, and remark. Now what I want to do is that I want to use HLOOKUP function to return the student grade based on each student score equals to HLOOKUP. Now the lookup value, so the lookup value is going to be this particular cell 30. So pick table array. So my table array will be this table, my lookup table. And I will lock using F4. Row index number. Of course, the row index number is going to be 2. Why? Now, HLOOKUP, we look across the first row, which is row 1. It will look across the first row to find a match. Once it finds a match, it will then move down to grab the data. Now if you look at this particular figure, under it we have fail, the grade. Now from 0 to 49 will be fail, so this will be the match, and then it will now move down to grab the grade, of course the results. So I will now need to specify my row to return, which is row 2. I'll put my comma, then approximate match, close my bracket and hit my enter. So I have my results: fail, excellent, fail, distinction, distinction, very good. Now the next thing we want to look at is the 3 likely error that one can make if you apply the formula wrongly. Now I'm going to delete what I have done and reapply the formula. I'll look at the error one after the other. HLOOKUP, the lookup value will be this, the table array will be this. I'll put my comma, row index number 2, the approximate match, close my bracket, hit my enter. So let's see what happened. This is an error. Why? Because we didn't lock the table. We didn't lock the table. Since we want to copy down our formula, it is very important that we lock the table. That's the first error. Now let's look at another error. I will apply the formula. I will reapply the formula again. That will be HLOOKUP lookup value. This table array, my table. I will lock using F4. Put my comma. Row index number 5. Then approximate match. Use my bracket and hit my enter. So look at this. This is also an error. Why? Because I specified a wrong row. And if you look at my table, I only have 3 rows. We don't have 5 rows here. So I specified a wrong row. So it means that if you are applying HLOOKUP function and you specify a wrong row, this is what you are going to get. Now let's look at the last one. HLOOKUP lookup value, table array, lock using F4, put my comma, row index number 2, then exact match. Now this is also another error, but if you look at 85, 50, where we have pass, and 65, HLOOKUP returned the exact grade. Why? Because we have the exact values inside the lookup table. We have 85, we have 65, and we also have 50. So for the other, we don't have exact value, so it returned error. So what I will just need to do is to just reapply my approximate match, and now we have the results. Hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.